Is it the right time to buy or sell Arcutis Biotherapeutics stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Arcutis Biotherapeutics. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 30, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 13, 2023, our system has identified Arcutis Biotherapeutics as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 1.42. Let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 146.64% since we first recommended Arcutis Biotherapeutics as a buy candidate 32 days ago. This translates to an average return of 4.58% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a strong upward trend in the short term, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. However, there is a possibility of a pullback towards the lower part of the trend. If the stock breaks above the top trend line at $6.11, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 90.45% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This could result in a return ranging from 16.21% to 98.16%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a minus 70.57% change in the stock's value over the next year. This indicates a potential return between minus 100% and minus 69.91%. In simpler terms, the stock could range from $0 to $1.77 after a year. Our latest update on Arcutis Biotherapeutics focuses on the stock price movement. On Tuesday, the stock price closed at $5.87, showing high volatility. The stock price of Arcutis Biotherapeutics Inc. decreased by 3.14% on Tuesday, going from $6.06 to $5.87. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 10.99%, reaching a low of $5.64 and a high of $6.26. In the last 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances and has experienced a significant increase of 69.16% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased along with the stock price, which is generally considered a positive sign. The trading volume fell by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 7 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $39.22 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price reached was $17.57, while the lowest price was $1.76. Currently, the stock price is 66.58% or $11.70, below the 52-week high. Moreover, it is 85.64% or $35.01 below the all-time high, which was recorded on March 20, 2020, when the price reached $40.88. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, December 13, 2022, Morgan Stanley issued a positive overweight rating for ARQT, recommending a hold action. On Tuesday, April 26, 2022, Zacks Investment Research downgraded ARQT, giving it a sell rating. The analyst's assessment of Arcutis Biotherapeutics stock is generally neutral. They consider the PE ratio to be a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have assigned a sell rating to the stock. Today, we will be discussing the signals for Arcutis Biotherapeutics Inc. Arcutis Biotherapeutics Inc. stock is showing positive signs based on both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals suggests a general buy signal, with the short-term average currently above the long-term average. In the event of corrections downward, there is expected support from the price levels at $4.91 and $3.48. However, a breakdown below any of these levels would issue sell signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is also indicating a buy signal. However, it is important to note that some negative signals have also been observed, which could potentially impact the short-term development of the stock. It is worth mentioning that a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 29, 2024. Since then, the stock has fallen by -3.14%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is identified. On the last trading day, the volume of the stock decreased along with the price. This suggests that the overall risk is reduced, as volume usually follows price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicated a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands displayed a buy signal 118 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average displayed a buy signal 33 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average displayed a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages displayed a buy signal 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Arcutis Biotherapeutics. When it comes to the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level at $5.30 and $4.84. It's important to note that testing a support level involves some risk. If this support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Arcutis Biotherapeutics, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $5.30, followed by $4.84 and $4.56. This stock is known for its volatility, meaning it can move significantly during the day. In fact, it's currently considered to be very high risk due to the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In the last day, the stock had a $0.620 movement between its high and low, which is equivalent to 10.99%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 13.12%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Arcutis Biotherapeutics, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a crucial measure of a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative PE ratio, it may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 27, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates currently stand at $0.620. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they have the potential to significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be analyzing potential day trading levels for Arcutis Biotherapeutics. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for Arcutis Biotherapeutics is at $6.06. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Arcutis Biotherapeutics experiences a decline, it will encounter its first support level at $5.30. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The average rating for Arcutis Biotherapeutics from multiple analysts is neutral. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On January 12, 2024, Burnett Patrick conducted an insider buy of 276,000 shares of stock option. On January 12, 2024, Burnett Patrick conducted an insider buy of 28,000 shares of common stock. On January 12, 2024, Edwards Larry Todd conducted an insider buy of 176,000 shares of stock option. On January 12, 2024, Edwards Larry Todd conducted an insider buy of 28,000 shares of common stock. On January 12, 2024, Matsuda Masaru conducted an insider buy of 176,000 shares of stock option. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 89.277. Overall, insiders purchased 3,026,868 shares and sold 140,391 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting your stop loss at $5.59, which reflects a decrease of 4.73%. This particular stock exhibits significant daily movements, resulting in a higher level of risk. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed just 1 day ago. Is Arcutis Biotherapeutics stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a generally good trend, indicating that Arcutis Biotherapeutics Inc. stock may present a buying opportunity. However, we have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For the trading day on Wednesday, January 31st, we anticipate Arcutis Biotherapeutics to open up at $5.92, with an increase of $0.0533. Before we dive into the content, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Feel free to comment below and share your insights. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.